Good morning children, I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing polynomial and under polynomials, we had started factorization and last day we had completed one exercise 3E. Today in this class, we are going to see factorization of sum or difference of cubes and some solved examples we will see. So, let us start. Here you have factorization of sum or difference of cubes. Here two formulae have been given, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus x y plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus x y plus y square. These two formulae we are going to use now. So, first we will see how it is derived. So, I hope you know, and then also you see how it has been derived, this formula. Here you see, as we know x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Already we have done this. So, if we need to know the formula for x cube plus y cube, then we can write x plus y whole cube. This term you bring left side. So, it will become minus 3xy x plus y, and that will be equal to x cube plus y cube. What we did, 3xy into x plus y we have brought left side. Now, here you see x plus y whole cube you have and x plus y you have, two terms you have. This is the first term, this is the second term. If we are taking common x plus y, what will be left? X plus y, if we are taking common, we will be left with x plus y whole square minus 3xy. X plus y whole cube we had, x plus y we have taken out, we are left with x plus y square, and here x plus y already we have taken out, we are left with minus 3xy. Now, x plus y, and this will be x plus y whole square means x square plus y square plus 2xy. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3xy. And then x plus y into x square plus 2xy and minus 3xy will be minus xy and plus y square is equal to x cube plus y cube. So, finally, we have got formula x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus x y plus y square. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus x y plus y square. So, in this way we can derive formula by ourselves, and you must remember this formula because in factorization the same formula we are going to use. Next we will see x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube, this formula we need to derive, and for that we know x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, or we can write x minus y whole cube. This whole term we will bring left side. So, it will become plus 3xy x minus y, and that is equal to x cube minus y cube, or x minus y, if we are taking common, we will be left with x minus y whole square plus 3xy, and that is equal to x cube minus y cube, or x minus y, here you have x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy, and that is equal to x cube minus y cube. Or finally, what we will get, x minus y into x square plus y square and plus xy, and that is equal to x cube minus y cube, or in proper way if we will write, we will get x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y whole into x square plus xy plus y square in whole. So, finally, we have got formula x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So, if we have difference of cube means x cube minus y cube, then we have formula x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. And when we will be having sum means x cube plus y cube, in this case what we will have? If we will be having, already we have seen x cube plus y cube, then we will have x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. So, this difference is there, we need to see and we need to understand and we need to remember. Here if we have difference, here only we have difference, these all will be positive. Here if we have positive, here only minus sign is there, otherwise all will be positive. So, in this way you need to remember this formula so that we can use this. Now, we will see some solved examples. Find the following products: x by 2 plus 2y into x square by 4 minus xy plus 4y square. So, what we need to do here, you see, we will try to put that in formula. So, here you suppose this is A and this is B. So, what we will get? A plus B, and here A square minus AB plus B square. Just you see, if suppose we are assuming A is equal to x by 2 and B is equal to 2y, then x square by 4, it means what? This can be written as x by 2 whole square. X by 2 whole square is equal to what? X square by 4, and minus AB. AB means what? X by 2 into 2y, and plus B square means 2y whole square. Now, you see, x by 2 whole square is equal to x square by 4 minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled, we will be left with x into y. X into y we have, and 2y whole square means 4y square. So, if this had been written x by 2 plus 2y into x square by 4 minus xy plus 4y square, this can be written as, if we are assuming this A and this is B, then we will get A cube plus B cube, and finally, what we can write, if this is A and this is B, so this will be A cube plus B cube, or we can get x by 2 whole cube plus 2y whole cube. X by 2 whole cube plus 2y whole cube. X by 2 whole cube means what? X cube by 2 cube means 8 plus 2y whole cube means 8y cube. So, this will be your answer. So, finally, if you understand this is in formula, after just this we can write in this way, and here we can write, since x cube minus y cube is equal to x plus y, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. So, that in this we know, and that is why this can be written as this, and then this you simplify and you write answer. Next, you see, x square minus 1 into x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, same thing is required to be done. Suppose this you assume A and this is B. So, a minus b, here this is a square. A square means x square to the power 2, it means x to the power 4, and ab means x square into 1, and this you can further, it can be written as x square minus 1, here this can be written as x square and to the power 2, this can be written as x square into 1. So, we have written a b and this is b square. Now, you see a square, x square means what? A. So, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. It means what? A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube means what? X square to the power 3 minus 1 cube. It means x to the power 6 minus 1. So, in this way this is required to be solved. Next, you see 1 plus 64 x cube, again this can be written as in formula, 64 can be written as 4 cube. So, we will be having 1 cube plus 4 x whole cube. So, this you have in formula a cube plus b cube or x cube plus y cube, as you remember. In that way you need to put in formula. So, this will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. It means 1 plus 4x into 1 minus 4x plus 16x square, since a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The same thing is required to be done over here also. 27x cube can be written as 3x whole cube plus 125y cube can be written as 5y whole cube. Now, you have this in formula as a cube plus b cube. So, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So, just you write in formula and this will be your answer, since we know this thing. Next, we have here we have x plus 1 whole cube plus x minus 1 whole cube. Again, if directly you can write this in formula can be written, since you have a cube plus b cube, you know. Suppose this is a and this is b. So, in this way if we are writing, this will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So, in place of a, x plus 1 is required to be put, and in place of b we need to put x minus 1, and if you are putting and if you are simplifying this, finally you will get 2x into x square plus 3. Next, we have a cube minus 2 root b cube. Here you see a cube minus 2 root b cube. So, this we need to convert into formula as a cube minus b cube. So, if we are writing this as in the formula a cube minus b cube, together 2 root 2 b cube can be written as root 2 b cube, because if you are writing root 2 into root 2 into root 2, you will get 2 root 2. So, 2 root 2 can be written as root 2 whole cube, and that's why it has been written a cube minus root 2 b whole cube. Now, this is in formula as x cube minus y cube, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. In that way you need to write down and you will get answer. Here you see, in the same way this has been written and you have got answer. Next, you see 1 minus 64 a cube. 1 minus 64 a cube, again 64 can be written as 4 cube. So, it will be 1 cube minus 4 a whole cube. So, you have in formula x cube minus y cube, means x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. In that you put, and just you need to simplify, you will get answer. Here this is also very simple, very common question. It is 8 a cube minus 27 b cube. 8 a cube can be written as 2 a whole cube, and 27 b cube can be written as 3 b whole cube. Again this is in formula x cube minus y cube. We know x minus y is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. In this we need to put the value and we need to find answer. Next you see 2a to the power 7 minus 128a. In this type of question we need to see what common we can take, so that if you are taking out common, that again what will be left with you, that will be in formula of a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube. Here you see, if you are taking out common 2a, you are left with a to the power 6 minus 64. Now this a to the power 6 can be written as a cube to the power 2. This 64 can be written as minus 8 square. Now this is in formula a square minus b square, a square minus b square or x square minus y square, whatever you write. So this will be a minus b into a plus b, already you have learnt. So in this way that is required to be written. Now this you see a cube minus 8, again this can be written as in the formula a cube minus 2 cube. This will be a cube plus 2 cube, and then you write in formula and simplify, you will get answer. Next you see a to the power 7 plus a b to the power 6, again what common we can take? A we can take common. We are left with a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. This can be written in this formula, a square to the power 3 plus b square to the power 3, and then we have got x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube is equal to x square, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So in that you put and you find out answer. Here you have 32 a cube plus 108 b cube. Again you need to see what common we can take out. So common you will be having 4, you will be left with 8 a to the power 3 plus 27 b to the power 3. Again this type of questions already you have seen how it to be done. So you can simplify it. Next you see a cube plus b cube plus a plus b. Here you see what we can do, a cube plus b cube plus a plus b. This a cube plus b cube, already we know the formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square plus a plus b. Now you see this is one term and this is the other term. So what common we can see? A plus b in both. A plus b has been taken out. You are left with a square minus ab plus b square and plus 1. And now you simplify and you can write answer. Next you see a cube minus b cube minus a plus b. Same thing is required to be done. Here minus, if you are taking out common, you will be left with a minus b. Now the same thing is required to be done as we have done in question number 1. Next, a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6, this type of questions already you have seen how it to be done. This can be written as, if one thing you need to remember, if a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6 you have, this can be written as a to the power 3 to the power 2 minus b to the power 3 to the power 2. So we will get in formula x square minus y square. But suppose if you will be having the same as a to the power 6 minus plus b to the power 6, then this formula will not be applied, because if you will get x square plus y square, you cannot use that formula. So in this case you need to write a to the power 2 to the power 3 and plus b to the power 2 to the power 3, so that this will be in the formula x cube plus y cube, and then you can simplify. So this thing you need to remember, if plus is there, which formula is required, it will be required to be applied, and if minus is there, which formula will be required to be applied. Here if minus sign is there, both can be used. Even you could have used this formula also. In this way also we could write, because we know the formula x cube minus y cube. But we do not know the formula, or in this factorization we cannot use the formula x square plus y square, and that is why these things are required to be done. Then you have x to the power 6 minus 7 x cube minus 8. Here this is so simple, just you need to apply some common sense. Here you see x cube you have, here x to the power 6 you have. So if you are assuming x cube is equal to y, so you will be having y square minus 7y minus 8, and this can be factorized easily. And if you are factorizing this and then you are putting the value, definitely you will be able to solve. Here x cube minus 8 you have got, here x cube plus 1 you have got. X cube minus 8 already you know how it to be done. 8 can be written as 2 cube, and then you have got formula x cube minus y cube, in that you need to put. Here again x cube plus y cube, in this formula you can put, and finally you can simplify and you can get answer. Question number 8, you see x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 7. How it is to be done? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 7 minus 1. Why it has been done? Because here you see we needed to get this in formula. So for getting this in formula, what we needed, you see, x cube already we had, 1 cube we did not have. So to get 1 cube, this 1 has been added on this, and since 1 we have added ourselves, what is required to be done? That is required to be subtracted also. So x cube plus 1 cube means x cube plus y cube. In between what we need? Because already we know x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and x plus y. This we know, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or we can write x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. In this way also we can write. So if you are writing in this way, you can see this is in this formula, x plus 1 whole cube, x cube plus 3x square y. In place of y, what you have? 1. Here you have 1. Then plus 3 x y square or 3 y square x, whatever you write, means 1 square. It means x cube plus 3x square 1 plus 3x 1 square plus 1. So this you have got in formula x plus 1 whole cube, and this minus 7 and minus 1 you have got minus 8. So now again you have got formula x plus 1 whole cube minus 2 cube, means x cube minus y cube. Now this is required to be written in formula, and you can find the answer. Here you have x plus y is equal to 12 and x y is equal to 27. Find the value of x cube plus y cube. Just we need to write formula of this x cube plus y cube, and you need to put the value. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus x y plus y square. X plus y into x plus y whole square minus 3xy also we can write. Here you see we can write x plus y whole square minus 3xy. Why? Already you know how we have derived this formula. X square plus y square we can write x square plus y square, we can write x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Since x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, if 2x minus 2xy you are bringing this side, you will be left with x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. But if you need to find out x square plus y square, then you can write x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Now the same if you are writing over here, so what you will get, you see x plus y, you have this one we have written, then x square plus y square. In place of this, if we are writing this thing, if we are writing x plus y whole square minus 2xy, and then you have minus xy. In place of x square plus y square, we have written x plus y whole square minus 2xy, and this minus xy we have written. So, finally, what you will get? X plus y into x plus y whole square minus 2xy and minus xy minus 3xy. The same thing has been written over here. Then you need to put the value. X plus y we know, 12 we have, x plus y we know, and xy we know. And why it has been done? Because we have been given value x plus y and xy, because in this way we could not put the value of x plus y, because we had x square plus y square, and that is why that has been converted in x plus y. And then you need to put the value and you need to find out, you need to evaluate the value. Then you have factorized 2a plus 3b whole cube minus 2a minus 3b whole cube. Again the same thing is required to be done. This you assume x, this you assume y, and then you put in formula and simplify, you will get. So, after this you have exercise 3a. So, each and every questions whatever we have explained now in solved examples, you need to write in your notebook and practice, and then only you will be confident that you will be able to solve this exercise. So, after doing that, you need to start exercise 3a, otherwise in next class we will see exercise 3a. Until then, thank you.